So why are we getting so much snow this winter? What did we do to deserve this? Meteorologist Cedric Haynes is here now with an explanation of what's going on. Cedric?
Well, I'll tell you what, David, many of you out there as well has probably gotten used to scenes like this. Fresh blankets of snow, having to get out and shovel the sidewalks and the driveways, having to clear off the car and working in all this winter weather. If you think this has been unusual, you would be correct. Take a look at our recent setup. So basically, we've had this pattern where we've been locked in, where we've had this cold air that's been stuck in the west and the Midwest with the warm air that's been confined to the far southeastern U.S. And so in between, that's the jet stream. And that jet stream is where the storm systems track, and the track of that is continuing to bring storm systems right across the upper Midwest into the area. Now, here's a look at the setup for this week. As you can see, more of that will continue as the storms just track from our south and allowing for another storm system to develop. In fact, take a look at where we stand in far as snow totals go. We've had already 57.5 inches of snowfall for this season, and that now just puts us just about 12 inches shy of reaching the all-time #1 spot for the snowiest winter ever. So that's something we're going to be watching. And you can look at the pattern as we go throughout the rest of this week. You see our storm system that brought us the snow Sunday moving off the East Coast. There's our next storm system for Tuesday night and Wednesday in the Southwest. Watch how it rides the jet stream, pulls up moisture, and brings us accumulating snow. So that's our next system that we're going to be watching for Tuesday night and Wednesday. And behind that system, look at this. You see the pattern reloading? Yet another system just drops down into the southwest, getting ready to ride that jet stream, and that will be the system that will arrive for the upcoming weekend. So overall, we're seeing that 57.6 inches of snow. Again, we need only 12 inches more to reach the record, and I'll tell you what, I think we're going to be able to do it, which would make it not only a historic winter, but the same winter we could have the coldest temperature ever and the snowiest winter ever. So David, Paula, I know you join Eric in all wishing to break this record.
Yes, break it.
It could be historic.
At this point, why not?
There you go. That's the attitude. That's what I'm talking about. Now, everybody hear that? That's what we want. More of that.
Well, you know, Cedric, speaking of the record, Sharon on Facebook today asked people that. Do you think we're going to set the record? Do you want us to, or do you want the snow to stop? Last check, more than 130 comments, including, what's a few more inches? I say go for it. Bonnie says, though, I think we've had enough now. Please, Mother Nature, no more. As we scroll through, opinions seem to be about divided.